Welcome to in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to enable or disable dial pad sounds on this device. So now, as can you hear, my just keyboard sound is turned off, and just to turn it on we should go to the settings and tap to the sounds and vibrations section. Now just go to the advanced options, scroll a little bit down, and here, as can you see, we got the dial pad tone switcher. Just to activate our keyboard sound, we tap here once on the switcher, and now we'll go to check this. I'll make, as can you hear, we just activated our keyboard dial pad tones. So if you want to just turn it off, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.